Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So I have a very quick video for you today. I'm just going to be giving you a house tour of all of my yard sale decor. So these are things that I've picked up over the last 4 or 5 years that I really love and that really add to the decor in my home. It's kind of eclectic. I don't think that there's anything really in one theme. It's just things that I saw out there that I fell in love with and wanted in my home to look at and to just bring me happiness on a regular day-to-day basis. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy just having a quick little tour of all the things that I've picked up, and I hope it inspires you to check out your local yard sales. A lot of times we'll drive by some yard sale and be thinking to ourselves, that really doesn't look like much. But we stop anyway, and usually, even though it might not look like much from the street, once you start walking around, you might find a treasure or two. I usually do. And I just think that things that are previously loved have sometimes more value than something you could pick up brand new at the store. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this little home tour. And if you want to see the things that I've picked up at yard sales over the years, then just keep on watching. So I found this beautiful set of 3 frames that I used for our wedding pictures, and I found these little signs. They're like little block signs that go perfect with the wedding theme in this little collage here. And I love this little crescent half moon shape picture. And I found this little plaque of cute little houses that I put over a door frame. And I really love hand painted things or handmade things. And I found this beautiful window with shutters, and it looks like it's a beach scene, and it's all hand painted. It's just absolutely beautiful. And I love these 2 little kids with the hydrangeas behind them. And this was one of the first things we bought at the very first yard sale we went to for $10. And then we found this tree that someone was getting rid of. And these wicker chairs we got at a yard sale for $60 for the pair. Came with the cushions and everything. And they are in excellent shape. And we've had them now for a few years. It's a favorite place for the cats. And this gorgeous cabinet that we have for, the cable box. I found this beautiful picture of lilacs. Now, it's hard to see because of the glare, but that looks like a Nantucket basket that they're in. And I know this was an expensive print. And then this cute print for the bathroom. I just think it's so whimsical and pretty. And then this willow tree figurine of a married couple. We saw this at a yard sale and I just had to pick it up. I thought it just was so nice. And here's another little plaque with some houses on it that I think is cute. And then these little Hummel plaques. The reason I got them is because they're a year apart, and Bob and I are a year apart, and I thought that was cute. And I love this little folk art print. And these side mirrors I picked up at 2 different yard sales, but they make the perfect set. And I found this little shelf separately and all the little miniature ducks separately. Well, the miniature ducks I bought at one yard sale, but I found the little shelf somewhere else, and they all fit on there perfectly. And I love to find handmade things that I could not make myself, like these needlepoint prints that are just absolutely gorgeous. And I love this little duck with his little boots and his little bouquet of flowers. And then this print was really cute too. I like the whimsical birdhouse and the bird and the colors and the sunflower. And then this stencil dry sink I got for $10. And I love this print. To grandmother's house we go. Reminds me of my childhood. And then these wooden ducks and a loon back there. I love loons. So I picked these beautiful ducks up at a yard sale along the way. And then last but not least, these cute Hummels. My mother used to collect these, and I've picked these up at different yard sales along the way. So I really, really love. Just remind me of my childhood. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little home tour. Let me know in the comments what you think of all of my yard sale finds, and let me know if you are a yard saler. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this type of video, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.